Hello everyone, I'll be giving a crash course on how I passed ITILv4 today. I assume you guys know about it since you clicked on this video, so I'm not going to go into detail about it. What you're looking at now is a class I took at WGU for the ITIL certification. WGU provided Udemy practice tests, which is what I used my basis to study on, and were extremely valuable to me. So why is it so valuable to me? It's because I only studied these practice tests. I ran to the 6 practice tests you saw earlier and read through how I got each question wrong and really tried to understand the answer. I also tried to pick up on keywords for future reference and other questions. I do really like how Udemy explains the correct answer. I believe they're very straightforward and that helped me understand the topic. I would also like to add one more thing to why I passed ITIL v4. I want to give a lot of credit to this crash course video here in Technical Institute of America because this video really breaks down a lot of what the test is about. In this video, he talks about what you need to focus on, like the rubric, and how the whole test is pretty much a big vocabulary test.